From the Certifly.com homepage, go ahead and click on Download Certifly app. On the Download Certifly Roof app page, you'll be met with a request form. Fill in your email, first and last name, and phone number, and then click Submit. You'll see in the top right corner a confirmation that your request has been submitted. And you can navigate over to your email and find an email from us with the download link to install the Certifly Roof app. Before you click to download, we strongly encourage you to read the email. You'll find a couple of links to our YouTube channel with some other quick tutorials that will answer most questions. Once you click on the download link, you'll probably be met with an install block. You'll need to navigate over to Unknown Sources and check the box. This is because you're not downloading from the Google Play Store, you're downloading a beta version from our server. We're speeding up the install process. Your time may vary based on your hardware. Once it's installed, click on Open, and you'll be prompted to allow our app to access certain parts of your device. And you've now completed your install process.